G'day, welcome to iCultivate. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Steve, and I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you and your families, from my family to you, an absolutely wonderful Christmas time. I also hope that 2026 brings much joy and happiness for you and your families as well. 2025 has been an interesting year for us. We've had the absolute lows of losing a close family member all the way through to the amazing joy of welcoming 2 new grandchildren into our lives. So it's with this joy that we're ending this year that we're looking forward now to 2026, and of course taking iCultivate along on that ride as well, as we investigate new ways of gardening, new gardening experiences that we have around our own garden, and I hope things that you will enjoy seeing as well. So, to finish up, again, I hope that you have an amazing Christmas with your family and friends, and look forward to an amazing 2026 into the future. And as usual, can I ask if you are enjoying our videos that you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, go to iCultivate.net and become a member of that gardening community there. Thanks for watching.